The USF-IRB has created general guidance videos to provide our USF and affiliate research community with guidance on a variety of IRB and BullsIRB topics. One such topic is supporting our research community in submitting a modification to an already approved study in the BullsIRB system. Before we start the modification submission process in BullsIRB, there are a few points to consider. Modifications cannot be submitted for studies that have been determined by the IRB to be exempt. Once the IRB has made an exempt determination in BullsIRB, the study application is closed in the system. You will be informed of the study determination via your study approval letter. An exempt determination does not limit your ability to conduct approved research procedures. After exempt determination, if there are any new changes in research design, study population, principal investigator, etc., a new initial study submission may be required. For any questions, please contact the Research Compliance Administrator who worked with you on your initial study application, or you can contact the General IRB inbox. Now, for studies approved by the fully convened IRB or studies that the IRB has determined to be expedited, any changes to the study, whether minor or significant, must be officially changed via a modification application in BullsIRB. Now that you have some basic modification information, you should be ready to log into BullsIRB. From the BullsIRB landing page, click the Login in the upper right-hand corner. In My Inbox, select the appropriate study. Now, on the study workspace, click the Create Modification /CR tab. Now, click the Modification Update activity. Now, ensure your selection is correct prior to continuing the application. Below, you will need to indicate the scope of the modification. Are you making a change to the study team members and/or any parts of the study? Again, ensure your selections are correct prior to continuing the application, because your selections on this page cannot be changed once you click Continue or Save. Once you click Continue or Save, the modification application will now open. We're going to go through each one of these. Item number 1, Study Enrollment Status. Now, this item is asking for you to indicate the status of your study by selecting the appropriate box. Item number 2, Notification of Subjects, is asking if this modification or change will require you to notify the study subjects. Did you change anything in the consent form that will require notification to subjects? Did any procedures change that current subjects need to know about? Were any new risks to the study identified? These are the types of questions you should ask yourself when answering item number 2. You will select all options that are applicable. Item number 3. Summarize the modification is asking for you to briefly describe the modification change you are making to the study. At the bottom of the page, you will select the Continue tab to move to the main application and make any applicable changes, such as uploading revised study documents. You will use the Upload Revision activity to replace the older documents and upload these revised documents in their appropriate sections. For study protocol and consent changes, it's helpful to upload both a clean copy of the document with the changes included and to also upload a track document that shows the changes you made to the already approved study documents. At the bottom of the page, you will click Finish to exit the form. You are still not done. This activity does not submit your application to the IRB. In the workspace, you will need to click the Submit activity to submit the modification application. Well done! Your modification is now submitted to the IRB, and you can log off the BullsIRB system. Or, to find your modification, go to the Submissions page and then the Follow On Submissions tab. Or you can find your modification by clicking the Submissions shortcut. If the IRB has any questions regarding your application, you will be notified via an email notification. Please log into BullsIRB and respond to all IRB requests fully before submitting your clarification changes through the BullsIRB system. Once your modification application is approved, you will be notified via email, and you can log in to BullsIRB to view your approval letter. For additional support with any questions in the BullsIRB application, click the question mark icons. You can also send an email to the General USF IRB inbox at rsch-irb@usf.edu.